Is this Watson's place? Alright, I think I know where we are. Door to the Nether, Christmas tree, and the oh my gosh! Are you serious? Well, okay. I mean, I guess. Where even is this? I don't remember. Alright, well, it's fine. Hey, I wanted to start from scratch anyway. Welcome to the Pantsu Express. No photographs. Why is this here? I guess this is what we're taking. Can I please open this? Please let me open it. Please, I'm begging you. I have nothing. I have nothing. I'm right-clicking. I'm right-clicking. I'm right-clicking. Just break it. Isn't that rude, though? It's lag, I think. Are you serious? That long? Alright, I'm gonna break it, but I'm gonna put everything back inside. What? Okay. Alright, hold on. I'm disconnecting and re-entering. What a great start we're getting off to, you guys. Disconnect. Try connecting again. I'm back in the game. What? Who is hurting me? God damn it. Nowhere is safe. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. Do I really have to punch you? Yeah, that's right. Drown. Dummy. And it still isn't working. Why am I here? Is it really truly just to suffer? Alright, fine. We'll walk along the tracks. Just kidding. It would appear that I can't walk along these tracks. So I guess we'll just jump. I guess we'll just jump, deadbeats. It's fine. Something really beautiful about starting from scratch in this game.